Good morning, students. In this lesson, The Happy Prince. Till now, we have learned that the prince, means the happy prince, wanted to help the people in need. Actually, he did not come to know what the miseries were, what the sorrows were. And when his statue was placed high above the city, then he came to know the sorrows of the people. And then he wanted to help them. And this swallow was acting as a messenger for him. Though he wanted, means the swallow wanted to go to Egypt, but this prince requested him to stay with him for one more night, and he sent his ruby for the first day to help the seamstress, and secondly, he sent the precious sapphire from his eye to help the playwright. So come to page number 32 now, and this prince asked him to follow his command. Okay? So the swallow plucked out the prince's eye and flew away to the young man's garret. It was easy enough to get in, as there was a hole in the roof. Through this he darted and came into the room. The young man had his head buried in his hands, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. See what happened. As ordered by the prince, the swallow plucked out the sapphire from the prince's eye. Princess means prince key, not princess. Okay? Take care the spelling of prince and princess. This is prince, and if we are going to make it plural, we are going to put this S only. And if it is written princess, it is for feminine gender of prince. Okay? And if we are going to make it plural, we will put ES once again with it. So don't get confused. So when it is written princesses, तो ये prince का apostrophe आ रहा है. Okay? So he entered the young man's garret. उसका जो छोटा रूम था छत पर, उसमें enter हुआ. And it was not easy to get in, as it was easy to get in. उसके लिए काफ़ी easy था, because there was a hole in the roof. And as he entered, the playwright did not notice his arrival. Okay? He did not come to know that the bird had arrived, because he had buried his head in his hands. उसने अपना सिर अपने हाथों में पकड़ रखा था. He could not hear the flutter of, उसके पंखों के उड़ने की आवाज़ उसने नहीं सुनी. He looked up, he found, when he looked up means the playwright, when he looked up he found a precious sapphire lying on the withered violets. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. This is from some great admirer. Now I can finish my play. And he looked quite happy. See, when anyone gets such a precious gem, anyone will be happy, and he was in such a need that he became extremely happy. And he believed that at least someone was recognizing his talent, and he would not be suffering from the deficiency of money. Okay? The next day, the swallow flew down to the harbor. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailors working. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow. How happy he was feeling. But nobody minded, and when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. And next day, swallow flew down to the harbor once again. He sat on the mast of the large ship, large vessel, and he watched the sailors working on it. He felt quite relaxed. He thought to himself, he said that now he would be going to Egypt ultimately. He cried, but nobody noticed. But when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. फिर से गया हैप्पी प्रिंस के पास. एंड ही क्राइड, आई हैव कम टू बिड यू गुड बाय. आया वापस कहने के लिए, ओके नाउ गुड बाय, आई एम लिविंग. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you not stay with me one night longer? प्रिंस ने फिर से रिक्वेस्ट की, अरे swallow, swallow, एक रात और मेरे साथ नहीं रुक सकते? It is winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them. But the swallow replied that soon the winter will be coming, and this area would be covered with snow. But if he reaches Egypt, he would feel a warmth over there because it was sunny there, and crocodiles would be lying in the mud looking lazily about them, means to the palm trees. Palm trees को देख रहे होंगे, they would be lying in the mud. The prince said, now, in the square below, there stands a little match girl. She has let her matches fall in the gutter, and they are all spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money, and she is crying. She has no shoes or stockings, and her little head is bare. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. Again he requested to do him a favor. प्रिंस ने उससे कहा, चलो अब एक रात और रुक जाओ और मेरा एक काम और कर दो. वहाँ पर एक मैच गर्ल रहती है, ओके, एंड उसकी सारी मैचेस गटर में गिर गई. गटर सब जानते हैं, इट इज़ अ ड्रेन फॉर द वेस्ट वाटर. देन all are spoiled, and if she did not earn any money, her father would beat her. अगर वो पैसा नहीं कमा के लाएगी तो उसके फादर पीटेंगे उसको. Even she did not have shoes or stockings, ना उसके पास शूज़ है ना ही लॉन्ग सॉक्स हैं. And her little head is also bare. उसका सिर भी बेयर है, मतलब उसको बहुत ठंड लग रही है अभी. मेरी दूसरी आँख भी निकाल लो. प्लक आउट माई अदर आई, मेरी दूसरी आँख भी निकालो जहाँ पर एक और सफ़ायर है, और ये उसको दे आओ ताकि उसके फादर उसको नहीं पीटेंगे. आई विल स्टे विद यू वन नाइट लॉन्गर, सैड द swallow, बट आई कैन नॉट प्लक आउट योर आई, यू वुड बी क्वाइट ब्लाइंड देन. स्पैरो assured him, ठीक है मैं रुक जाऊँगा, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारी दूसरी आँख कैसे निकालूँ? इसके बिना तो तुम बिल्कुल ब्लाइंड हो जाओगे. Then he said, swallow, swallow, little swallow, do as I command you. मैं जैसा कहता हूँ बस वही करो. So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted down with it. He swooped past the mage girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. So as asked by the prince, he again plucked out the prince's another eye. He darted down. He took a flight and reached to the girl. He swooped past the match girl. वो बिल्कुल उसके पास से उड़ता हुआ पहुंचा. And put means slipped the jewel into the palm of the girl. उसके हाथ में वो सफ़ायर रख दिया, जो कीमती जेम था प्रीशियस स्टोन था, जिस उसकी आँख से निकाला हुआ, वो उसके हाथ में रख दिया। What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. नेचुरली खुश तो होना ही है ना, तो वो सोचने लगी और कितना बढ़िया ग्लास है, वो तो सिर्फ इसको ग्लास कांच का टुकड़ा ही समझ रही थी। उसने बोला कि कितना अच्छा टुकड़ा है ये कांच का, और वो हंसती हुई घर गई। Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. See the generosity of the bird. बर्ड कितना बड़े दिल वाला है ये। उसने बोला अब तो तुम बिल्कुल ब्लाइंड हो चुके हो, ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारे पास हमेशा ही रह जाऊंगा। No, little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. Prince asked him that you should go to your native place, that is Egypt. Just go away. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. और उसने बोला नहीं, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा ही यहीं रहूँगा, और वो उसके पैरों में सो गया। All the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in the strange lands. Now what he had done, he sat on the shoulder of the happy prince. उसके कंधे पर बैठ गया, and he told him different stories about the places he had visited. जिन जगहों पर वो गया था उनके बारे में उसने कई कई कहानियाँ प्रिंस को सुनाई। Dear little swallow, said the prince, you tell me of marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. There is no mystery so great as misery. Fly over my city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there. Prince again requested him to be there. उसने कहा, प्रिंस ने कहा कि तुमने मुझे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी कहानियाँ सुनाई, लेकिन बट मोर मार्वलस देन एनीथिंग इज द सफरिंग ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन। प्रिंस ने कहा कि लोगों के जो दुख भरी कहानियाँ हैं मैन और विमेन की, मिजरीज हैं, उनके जो दुखी होने की कहानियाँ हैं, क्या क्या दुख हैं उनको, इनके बारे में तुम मुझे बताओ, वो ज़्यादा अच्छी रहेंगी। Those stories would be more marvelous than any other stories. There is no mystery so great as misery. मिजरी से ज़्यादा बड़ी मिस्ट्री तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती। मिजरी से ज़्यादा बड़ी मिस्ट्री। Are you getting what I mean to convey? कि मिजरी से ज़्यादा रहस्यमय पूर्ण बात और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती। यही सबसे बड़ा कष्ट होता है कि आदमी मिजरी में है, दुख में है, उसको कोई खुशी नहीं मिल पा रही है। Then he asked the swallow to fly over the city and tell him what he saw there. Okay, क्या कहा उसको, अब तुम जाओ सिटी पर उड़कर आओ, सिटी में जाकर आओ, वहाँ देख कर आओ, और वहाँ की जो स्टोरीज है, वहाँ क्या क्या हो रहा है, वो आकर तुम मुझे बताओ। The swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich making merry in their beautiful houses, while the beggars were sitting at the gates. He flew into dark lanes and saw the white faces of starving children looking out listlessly at the back streets. Under the archway of a bridge, two little boys were lying in each other's arms to try and keep themselves warm. How hungry we are, they said. You must not lie here, shouted the watchman, and they wandered out into the rain. Now, when he took his flight, what did the swallow see? swallow ने जैसे ही अपनी फ्लाइट ली उस बड़े से सिटी में, उसने देखा कि रिच तो बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे थे, एंड द पुअर पीपल वर स्टिल इन मिजरी। दे वर means rich people were living in good houses, having fun, entertainment, but the beggars were sitting at their gates. लेकिन जो भिखारी थे वो इन रिच पीपल के गेट पर बैठे हुए थे। वो अंधेरी गलियों में भी उड़कर गया। उसने देखा कि दो बच्चे वहाँ बैठे हैं बिल्कुल अंधेरी गलियों में। एंड दे वर अंडर द आर्कवे ऑफ ए ब्रिज, टू लिटिल बॉयज वर लाइंग। ब्रिज के नीचे, आर्कवे मतलब जो एक कर्व्ड वे हो उस पर, उसके नीचे बैठे हुए थे। और उन्होंने कहा, वो एक दूसरे के हाथ पकड़कर बैठे हुए थे, टू कीप देमसेल्व्स वार्म, हैविंग टू हैव द वार्मथ दे वर होल्डिंग ईच अदर्स हैंड्स एंड वन ऑफ देम वाज सेइंग हाउ हंग्री वी आर, कितने भूखे हैं हम। दे सेड वी मस्ट नॉट लाई हियर, शाउटेड द वॉचमैन। वॉचमैन जोर से चिल्लाया, यहाँ मत बैठो, यू मस्ट नॉट लाई हियर, यहाँ मत बैठो। एंड दे वॉन्डर्ड आउट इनटू द रेन, और अब वो रेन में, बारिश में भीगने लगे। जब वॉचमैन ने उन्हें वहाँ से भगा दिया तो वो बारिश में भीगने लगे।